Well, I am live here at the City Center and on our CI stage today. Birds on a Wire. I have debit card Daryl with me because we can't leave home without you, right?
Hi, how are y'all doing out there? Hello, Christy people.
Oh, well, you know what? I hope they're doing as well as we are here today. So let's talk a little bit about Birds on a Wire. Okay, the name, first of all, what does that mean?
Well, it came from where I work. There's actually a bunch of power lines outside, and we'd see the pigeons gather every day, and it was almost like a society thing. And that's what we used for the name of the band.
Okay, and so let's meet the band. How about we start over here?
We've got Mark Redman over here on guitar. Back here we have Blake Carson on drums. We have Rusty, Rusty Gold on bass. We've got Craig Rossin on backing vocals and also on harmonica. And I'm debit card Daryl.
Debit card Daryl. I love that. So let's talk a little bit about your sound. What kind of music do y'all enjoy playing?
Well, we're basically right now kind of a cover band. We range anywhere from southern rock, country rock, classic rock. We also have some originals currently that we're doing too, so we're kind of blending those in a little bit. So
what's the writing process like?
Oh, it's fun, I tell you. I do kind of the lyrics, and Mark over there to the right of me comes up with kind of the tunes, and the rest of the band kicks in a lot too also to it.
Yeah, so people can see you performing not only here today, but where else?
Well, we are going to be playing January 2nd at Monticello Bowl. We're going to be January 15th at Cowboy Monkey, and we just got a gig booked today at Memphis on Main on January 29th. Just look at our Facebook page, it's Birds on a Wire, also Debit Card Daryl. You can look that up for schedule too, and we pretty much try to keep the schedule posted on there because we got a lot of exciting new things coming up in the spring.
Well, we are so excited that you're joining us today live here at City Center. Are we playing an original or a cover right now?
We're going to start off with an original. This came one day when one of our guitar players, we used to have two, broke his string, and we said, let's not have dead air. Oh. So that's where it came from.
All right.
But we'd like to thank Terry Miller, too, from CU Bands and Fans real quick. She's really supported the music community big time here in Champaign, Urbana. We love her to death. She's out here tonight. She just beats the path, and she's super. Her and Zach Widdop and some other people, too, that are involved with them. And we'd like to thank Jamie, who is involved with letting us use practice facilities. We thank him a lot, Jamie Barsham, and a lot of other people, all you bird brains out there, Joe Hill, Craig Hardwick, you guys, we love you.
Well, we love a good shout out here on CI Living, so we are so excited, and we're going to let you take it away. How about that? All right, go for it.
This is our original song that we're going to do. Ain't got no hair and that's fine with me. Gonna do the ball-headed boogie. Well, I'm follically challenged, oh, can't you see? It's time to do the ball-headed boogie. Here we go. Here we go. Ball-headed boogie. Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with a chrome dome. I can still sing about my Champaign, Urbana home. Ain't no eyes in my hair, I can see. We're gonna do the ball-headed boogie. Here we go. Here we go. Ball-headed boogie. Do it, guys. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, Craig. Boogie. Boogie. The ball-headed boogie. Ball-headed boogie.
I'm wearing my beanie just to keep me warm. Ball-headed boogie showing all my charm. No Samson locks and that's fine with me. I ain't gonna snowboard in Sochi. Here we go. Here we go. Ball-headed boogie. Ball-headed boogie. Ball-headed boogie. Ball-headed boogie. Ball-headed boogie. Love that guy that uses a zero blade.